We are willing to do business with every customer with sincere attitude and solve potential problems for every customer with our professional product knowledge and experience, no matter in production or sales. We believe that the only way to establish good business relationship is on the basis of mutual trust. Junyuan Commercial and Trading Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of all kinds of bag products. We are located in Nanpu Industrial Area, Quanzhou City, with good working environment and convenient transportation access. All the products was controlled under strict QC procedures and operate according to ISO 9001. Furthermore, our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. We can offer the free visualized production service for the clients to know about the latest production status,